Morning, my friends. Thank you so much for tuning in yesterday for our Monday's math lesson. Today is Tuesday, and we are going to get started with our I can statement. Repeat after me. I can demonstrate my knowledge of a two-digit number by drawing tens and ones. Great job. Yesterday, we identified numbers by using tens and ones. Today, we know that those types of numbers are called two-digit numbers because they have a digit in the ones place and they have a digit in the tens place. Today, we are not just going to be saying how many tens and ones they have or writing how many tens and ones they have, but we are going to be drawing how many tens and ones are in these two-digit numbers. We're going to jump into our critical question of the day. Our question is, why is it important to draw base 10 cubes and single cubes to represent our numbers? We have the number 27 on the board. If I wanted to draw the number 27, if I went around and drew my counters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I drew 27 counters to show the number 27. This is 27 and this is 27. It is the same value. But why do I draw base 10 cubes instead of our counters for our tens place? Well, let's see what's faster. I have the number 27 again. Pull out your timer. How fast can I draw the number 27? Which one was faster to draw? Our picture that we drew for our first side or my picture for my second side? Yes, my picture for my second side. This helps me for two reasons. It helps me see the difference between my tens and my ones because here, can I identify how many tens I have? Just based off of the picture, will I know how many tens I have here? No. But if I saw this, I would know that I had two tens and how many sevens? How many ones? 7 ones. So the reason why we draw our pictures the way we do is, number one, it's faster and it helps us stay organized. And number two, it allows us to identify how many tens and how many ones. This demonstrates, and demonstrates that fancy words for show. This shows or demonstrates how many tens I have and how many ones. This just demonstrates that I know that this is 27. But because we're focusing on tens and ones, this is why we are drawing our picture. We want to jump right into our work and our examples today. I want to tell you a little secret. So lean in close, a little closer. Whenever you have two-digit numbers, you need to draw base 10 blocks and your single cubes. That's how we know it's a two-digit number, okay? So any two-digit number you have is always going to have base 10 blocks. That's our secret, okay? Okay, we have the number 42. I said that whenever we have a, what kind of digit number? Yes, a two-digit number, we always have to draw our base 10 blocks. So let's draw our base 10 blocks. How many base 10 blocks does 42 have? 2 or 4? How will we figure this out? I need to use place value. I know that my number over here is my ones place. And then 1 to the left is my tens place. So how many base 10 blocks will I draw? 4 base 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones does 42 have? 2 ones. Let's count this. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Awesome. Do you think we can do 3 more examples where you're telling me how many 10s and 1s I should draw? Okay, my friends, now it's time for you guys to teach me and help me walk through this problem. Our first number is 75. How many 10s am I going to draw in the number 75? Yes, 7 10s, because the 7 is in my 10s place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now how many 1s in the number 75? Show me with your hands. High five. Yes, 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to check my work by counting my picture. I wanted to demonstrate my knowledge of a 2-digit number by drawing 10s and 1s. So that means that I should have the same amount of 10s here that I have here and the same amount of 1s here that I have here. Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 is the same as 75. All right, let's move on to the next one. How many 10s in the number 62? Great job, 6 10s. Let's draw them. Notice that my 10s are drawn like rectangles. This is going to help us when we move forward. 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many 1s in the number 62? 2. 1, 2. I want to check my work, which means that I'm going to count to make sure that my drawing demonstrates my 2-digit number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. All right, we're 2 for 2. Let's see if we can go perfect today. We have the number 80. This one's tricky because there is a 0 there. How many 10s am I going to draw for the number 80? Yes, I'm going to draw 8 10s. Let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many 1s will I draw for the number 80? 1 1? 2 1s? Oh, 0 1s. 0 means nothing. So I'm not going to draw any 1s. There's no 1s in the number 80, and I have no 1s here. Well, let me see if if my picture still demonstrates this 2-digit number. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. You guys were 3 for 3. Awesome. Now I want to challenge you guys. What if you see something like this? Can we identify what 2-digit number this is? We can? Okay, whenever I see a picture like this, I want to count my 10s first and then my 1s. Say it with me. I'm going to count my 10s first and then my 1s. The reason why is because if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I try to add 10 to 4, that's going to take a long time. I'm going to be at 4, and then I'm going to be like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that's 14. But then I got to do 10 more again, and I got to keep counting by 10s. So the fastest way to do it is we're always going to count our 10s first. Say it with me. Count my 10s. I didn't hear you. Say it again. Count my 10s. I'm going to count my 10s first and then move over to my 1s. So let's count this. Ready? We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I have 34. I have 1, 2, 3 tens. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. 3 tens and 4 ones equals the number 34. Let's do one more. You guys are so smart. This one you're going to do on your own because Mr. Nieves helped you out with the previous one. Let me see if I can trick you. Okay. Am I going to draw my ones first or my tens? Yes, my tens. How many tens? Oh, Mr. Nieves made a mistake. He tricked himself. I'm supposed to draw the picture. You're supposed to tell me the number. Let's fix that. And I'll tell you a secret. It's not going to be 38 this time. Okay, now what are we supposed to do? Yes, we're going to count our tens first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. How many ones do I have? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I have 4 tens and 5 ones. How will I write that? My 4 will go in my tens place, my 5 in my ones place, and that equals the number 45. Let me check my work by counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. It all checks out. Today, you guys are going to go into Google Classroom and you're going to demonstrate your knowledge of a 2-digit number by drawing tens and ones. There might be some challenge questions that has the drawing already and you have to choose which number that drawing is demonstrating. Guys, crushed it today. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep it up.